Hey, thanks for checking out part 2 of the investigation into the Grenfell Tower demolition notice that I've just found out about an hour ago. Another unplanned video, but it's important to get these numbers out there because, well, I can't really give another word other than ridiculous, to be honest. So yeah, let's carry on straight into it. But that's just demolition notice there, 88. Broken down 11, 363. Even Sumerian, it's 3. Kind of a bit of an 11 thing going on there as well, isn't there? 9-11 thing. But anyway, yeah, so let's look then at the date difference of when it was the deposit that went in at the council for the demolition, which covered in part 1 was 22nd of May 2014. And then there I just looked at when the actual fire was. So yeah, the date difference. Okay. And just first of all, I only just looked at from visually the number difference, and then I looked at the actual date itself afterwards, but just purely on a visual basis, 813 is the difference between these numbers here. And added those together, that's another 12, interestingly. Then I did 813 plus the mirror, 318. Visually again, it's like 11 with these two, 11. But it actually comes to 1131, which is 3 and 3 lines, which links in with a couple of videos from yesterday. Zenith will know about those. But then adding the mirror again straight to that equals 6 as well as that, but they all equal 6. Add in the mirror, you get the mirrored answer, 2442. 44 being in the middle if you want for the 8, and then 22 either side. They all come to 12, which is obviously the half of that. And then I'll adding together 66, so 6 and 6 being the 12, 233s as well. 2 and 4, sorry, yeah, you could have there 6 and 6 either side, or 2 times 4, so 8 either side. Again, 8, which was what the demolition notice was. Which cipher was it? Demolition notice, reverse, full reduction. So that's just in terms of the visual number differences. Let's look at then, going back to that, we've already found that there's 6 and 3 with the 12, 1 plus 2. There's not really been a 9 anywhere. There is there, but it's still part of the thing. I guess that is 9-11, isn't it? 8, 9. Sorry, 9. No, it's 12. Sorry. But yeah, we've found 3, 6. There's no 9, but there is. It's 81 times 3. So going back just to the 813, you get 243, and you add them together, and it's 9. You've got 369 just from the visual difference of the dates. I thought that was quite sneaky of them. So yeah. Right. Next bit is the days difference between the date of the demolition notice. It's unreal, isn't it? Ridiculous. Like I say, fire itself was 14th of June. It's 111, sorry, 1,119 days. The difference. And there we go. Thursday the 22nd of May. It's Wednesday 14th of June. 1,119 days. So again, you just call in the fire brigade there with the 111 times 9. But yeah, it's too easy, that one. So 11 times 19 is 209. 209 plus the mirror, 902. 1111. That is just like so synchronized with the whole of yesterday, to be honest, in terms of what I was watching and the videos I made as well, and over the other day, Saturday, I can't remember when I made it. But then I looked at 19 divided by 11. Yeah, Zenith as well has done the 4 lines. It all came from that afterwards. 19 divided by 11 is a recurring 72727272. And there you've got, it's not just the 9, it's also, you've got the 7 plus the 2 and the 7 together, and that comes to 16. So you've got then a 7, or keep it as that and just, you've almost got a line in between the 9 6 9 6 9 6 9 6. You'll just keep going like that. Breaking it down, you get the 7, but then also with what you left over from the 727, you then got 272. They come to 11. So yeah, you've got rows of 9, 7, 11, 9 7's being 63, of course. But yeah, the 9 with then the line 6, 9 6. That's really interesting, that one. I should have wrote that down a bit clearer, but I've only actually just saw it, to be honest, whilst recording it now. But then going on to then the years and days. 3 years, 23 days. I mean, that one on its own, straight away you can sort of see. It's 323 anyway, but so yeah, 55. But it's also like 2 3s it's saying either side of it, so 33 that side, that kind of thing. But also just 3 times 23 is 69. It's like, that one's just so blatant. But yeah, 55, because that's got the star on it. Just need to... 55 is also what Demolition is in reverse full cipher. So that's just on the years and days. I've already showed you the Sumerian 696 one. That was also, I think, for the notice. I didn't show you the 696 for the Demolition one, but I mean that one's just as well. Again for Demolition. 23 divided by 3, 7.666 recurring. Couldn't make it up, could you? Because you can't, numbers. You can't. Oh, sorry. Oh dear. 7 times 6, you have to laugh. 42. Of course it is. 4 and 2 being 6. Plus the mirror, 24. We've already seen 24 and 42 as well. Up there, just on that visual one. There we go. But yeah, it comes up again there just by doing that with that. Interesting. But the 666 recurring, of course. Okay, so 7 divided by 6, carrying on with just that answer. Unbelievable. 1.16 recurring. It'll just be 666s. Which, yeah, that is ridiculous. I made a point of writing it down, but not how you spell it properly, probably. Again, there's another star there, so that's a ridiculous answer, to be honest, from an answer already. This is how deep it goes and how psychotic they actually are with these worshipping of this system and what they do with it. Remember, there was a fire. I know there was nobody hurt. This proves it, but that answer then, 1.16. Demolition in ordinals, 116. I can barely get the words out. That's how excited I am. Well, hardly. Not excited. This isn't anything to be like, I'm not doing this for credit or anything. I'm doing it to share because it's numbers that need to be known, really, because there's no such thing as coincidence. It's kind of like, you know, you can't make it up because it's not made up. It's just there. There's the answer. The rest is sixes. I mean, yeah, that's just a reminder of it, but I got them kind of the wrong way around, to be honest. But yeah, the English ordinal's 116. Again, it's just unbelievable. But the reverse fall, yeah, was the 55 bit from it, just up earlier on with it. So just that on its own has got two ciphers in there. The 69 one as well. So then lastly, it's 159 weeks and 6 days. That one's just quite straightforward. Let's just get to that. There we go, 159 weeks, 6 days. Just adding all those up together, it's 15, so there's your 6. But then I just see 15 plus the 51 is 66. Or 1 and the 5. So there, just doing that as 6, keeping the 9, and then you got that 6. So yeah, sorry, that's where that other 6 came from. Just adding those up together was your first 6, and that's your second one. Because yeah, remembering the days. This one here is the 1 plus the 5 is the 6. 6, 9, 6. Which was what demolition was in Sumerian. Yeah, there's a reminder there. So it's like totally unbelievable, but believable because it's there. And then lastly, because I'm kind of really waffling now, but these numbers are just right. Okay, so it's percentage of the year, because I like that one. There's always something in that as well because of the way the years are worked out. But 306.58, a common year, 58 divided by 36, so losing the 0, 1.61 recurring. It's like the mirror of that. And still, yeah, the 1 plus the 6, 6 plus the 1, 7, 7. But for that to be the mirror of this is just like, you know, but it's because obviously the years, it's part of the percentage and it's all to do with 365. That's, yeah, this video is running long anyway. But so lastly then, 3 plus the 6, 9, 5 plus the 8 is the 13, adding them together this is 22. And that was obviously the date the demo was deposited, 22nd of May. So yeah, thanks so much everyone. Cheers. I'm sorry I waffled a bit. Take care.